Ricciardo's seatbelt stretched 43 millimeters during Monaco impact, 7 millimeters beyond safety limit. McLaren's crash data from Ricciardo's 2022 Monaco practice revealed concerning safety restraint performance. His 6-point harness stretched 43 millimeters during the 26G deceleration, exceeding the FIA's 36 millimeter maximum elongation standard by 7 millimeters before arresting his movement. Impact telemetry showed his survival cell flexing 18 millimeters laterally, approaching the structural limits of carbon fiber monocoque design. His helmet registered forces of 28 G for 0.14 seconds, exceeding thresholds where specialized medical evaluation typically becomes necessary. The truly alarming discovery? High-speed footage captured his helmet moving 24 millimeters forward on impact,